Hey, we're taking C.
Yeah, again, performance hits. No! No, please don't.
Reloading.
Thank you. Oh shit. Woo! Got that guy. There's him. Ah! Man. Yeah, the problem with this submachine gun is that it has a lot of horizontal. Ah! Slow. It's too slow. Oh man. It's early. No! No! Oh my. That was close. Someone saved me. This is fine.
We lost C. Okay, where's C? New magazine.
Shit, someone's here. Ah, they got him.
We secured C.
We did. We secured C. Oh shit.
Back. They're taking A. Hey. We're losing C.
We got that guy.
Hey, we lost A. It's gone.
Yeah, I mean. Let's see. Just gonna make a move.
Loading.
I'm loading, guys. Cover me. I think I got that guy several times already. Oh no! Not bad. I mean, on points, yeah. I don't know why we haven't kept.
They captured C.
My friends are here. My friends. Got that guy. Oh man, it's a lot of fight. Oh shit, what's going on? Holy moly, what's going on, guys? What's going on? It's pretty intense in here. Okay, so reload. Ah! That was weird. That was a weird move. Oh! The f- Are you kidding me? That's funny. Where is he? Oh, yeah, it's here. Woo! For me, this is more like a team deathmatch than anything. Like it's it's good to have points to capture, but like the excitement comes from the firefights. Wah! I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Oh, did it work? No! Man, it did work. Oh man, I think that's the guy killing a lot. That was good. And I didn't kill the guy. Ah, man. Blit. They are at sea. Blit. Okay. Friends are coming.
Hey, get off of Charlie.
Yeah, man. It's just so funny. Blit. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, I got him. What the heck? What's going on? Come on. Ah. Okay. Blit! That's funny. Is that a bad word? I don't know. Can we make this work? Oh shit.
Get off Alpha.
Ah! Ah! Yeah, it's gonna be hard to make it work. Come on, someone's gonna show up around here. Yeah. Who did I knife? Like a ninja. I knifed someone like a ninja. that bad. Okay. That's good.